Hi, my name is Anupreet Singh. I'm currently working at the Career and Co-op Center as the Customer Service Advisor. Say hello if you're ever walking by. In the past, I have always found myself in roles where I need excellent customer service, so today I will be sharing the tips I've learned. 1. Always listen to the customer intently, rather than just assuming you know what they need. Oftentimes, their problem may have a different solution from the one you initially thought of. 2. Be knowledgeable. You never want to tell the customer, "I don't know." Of course, there will be times when you don't know what to do in a particular situation, but in those cases, I personally like to say, "I don't know, but I can find out for you." Usually checking in with a colleague or a quick Google search is all that's needed. In this way, you can ensure that the customer always leaves satisfied. 3. Always be friendly. Even if the customer isn't being agreeable, it is your job to deliver service with a smile. 4. Be respectful. In a customer-facing role, you will come across people from all walks of life. Ensure that you don't have any personal biases that may impact your ability to deliver the best customer service. 5. Never brush off a customer or tell them that you cannot help them at the moment. A customer just wants to be heard, so being responsive is extremely important. Some response is better than none. You do not want the customer to feel ignored. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops and even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.